Om Shanti. Very good morning to one and all. Today we will go through English Mulli, that is 7th April 2021. Baba is telling, "Should children, the Father has come from the far away land in order to establish a new kingdom. For you children only, you are now becoming worthy of heaven." To the question, what is the sign of children who have unbreakable faith in Shiv Baba's? Answer. Now they continue to follow Baba's Srimad with their eyes closed. No matter what direction they receive, they would never think that there might perhaps be some damage caused through that, because they know that the Father is responsible for the children who have such faith in their intellect. They receive strength from their faith and their stage becomes unshakable and immovable. Song. You are the mother and you are the father. तुम्हें हो माताश्चो, पिता तुम्हें हो बंधुश्चो, सखा तुम्हें हो. Today essence for dharana. Give your bones for service. Do not have doubts about anything. Give everyone happiness, not sorrow, by doing service. Make your stage unshakable with the power of faith. Benefit is merged in whatever Srimad you receive, because the Father, the responsible, therefore do not worry. Okay, blessing. May you be perfect in every subject and make easy yoga naturally your nature. May you be perfect in every subject and make easy yoga natural your nature. Explanation. Just as you are the Father's children and there is no percentage in that, in the same way, let all percentage of yoga finish in your stage of a constant and easy yogi. Let it become natural and your nature. Some people have a particular nature and they continue to move along according to that nature, even against their conscious wish. In the same way, let this also become your nature. What can I do? How can I have yoga? Finish all of these questions and you will become perfect in every subject. Perfect means to be free from effect and defect. Perfect means to be free from effect and defect. Today's slogan. If you want to tolerate something, then tolerate it happily, not out of compulsion. If you want to tolerate something, then tolerate it happily, not out of compulsion. कि आपको सहन करना ही है तो खुशी से सहन करो, दबाव से नहीं, मजबूरी से नहीं. टुडे ब्लेसिंग वरदान है. सहज योग को नेचर और नेचुरल बनाने वाले हर सब्जेक्ट में परफेक्ट भवो. सहज योग को नेचर बनाने वाले हर सब्जेक्ट में परफेक्ट बनो, डिफेक्ट और इफेक्ट नहीं. ओम शांति. हैव ए गुड डे. गॉड ब्लेस.